What if I told you that setting the right goals could transform your student life in 2025? Wouldn't you want to know how to set goals that actually work? Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more game-changing tips for success. Ready? Let's dive into 14 SMART goals that every student can adopt for academic success, personal growth, and beyond. 1. Improve academic performance in a specific subject. Instead of saying, I want to get better at math, a SMART goal would be, I will improve my math grade from a C to a B+ by the end of the semester by dedicating 1 hour daily to practice and attending tutoring sessions twice a week. Specific, focus on math. Measurable, improve to a B+. Achievable, extra study and tutoring. Relevant, improves academic performance. Time-bound, by semester's end. 2. Develop better time management skills. By the end of the month, I will create and stick to a weekly schedule using a planner or digital tool like Google Calendar to allocate at least 2 hours daily for studying, 1 hour for relaxation, and 8 hours for sleep. This goal helps students build a structured routine and balance their responsibilities effectively. 3. Read 1 book every month, outside academic syllabus. Broaden your horizon by setting this goal. I will read 1 non-fiction book per month to improve my general knowledge and vocabulary. This goal promotes lifelong learning and enhances communication skills. 4. Improve physical health with regular exercise. A SMART goal here would be, I will work out for 30 minutes 3 times a week for the next 3 months by following YouTube workout videos. Students often neglect their health during busy periods, but physical fitness can boost energy and focus. 5. Save a specific amount of money. For students looking to develop financial discipline, I will save $100 by the end of 3 months by cutting back on snacks, coffee runs, and other non-essential expenses. Specific, save $100. Measurable, track spending. Achievable, adjust habits. Time-bound, 3 months. 6. Enhance public speaking skills. Public speaking is a vital skill. A SMART goal could be, I will join a public speaking club and deliver at least 3 speeches by the end of the semester to gain confidence. This goal ensures gradual improvement with actionable steps. 7. Learn a new skill or hobby. I will learn basic photography skills by completing an online beginner's course and practicing for 30 minutes daily over the next 6 weeks. This example highlights a mix of passion and productivity. 8. Achieve a healthy work-life balance. For the next month, I will spend at least 1 hour each evening doing something I enjoy, like playing guitar or hanging out with friends to ensure I'm not overwhelmed by studies. Such a goal ensures mental well-being alongside academic commitments. 9. Participate in a volunteer program. Volunteering builds character and empathy. A SMART goal could be, I will volunteer at a local community center for 2 hours every weekend over the next 3 months to give back to society. This adds value to resumes and personal experiences. 10. Score higher on standardized tests. For students preparing for exams like the SAT or ACT, I will increase my SAT score by 100 points in the next 2 months by practicing 20 questions daily and taking a full-length practice test every week. This goal is precise and gives direction to preparation. 11. Develop networking skills. Networking is increasingly essential. A SMART goal could be, I will attend 1 student career fair every month and connect with at least 5 professionals on LinkedIn. This builds connections and prepares students for future opportunities. 12. Reduce procrastination. Many students struggle with procrastination. A SMART goal might look like, I will start every assignment at least 1 week before the deadline by setting reminders and breaking the task into smaller daily steps. This ensures work is completed on time without last-minute stress. 13. Prepare for future career goals. For the next 6 months, I will research potential career paths by interviewing 2 professionals in my field of interest and shadowing at least one of them. This goal is crucial for aligning academics with long-term ambitions. 14. Improve sleep patterns. Good sleep is foundational for productivity. A SMART goal could be, I will maintain a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed at 10 p.m. and waking up at 6 a.m. every day for the next 30 days. This goal emphasizes discipline and prioritizes health. Every student's journey is unique, but these SMART goals provide a framework for progress. The key is to align your goals with your aspirations and ensure they're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips to help you thrive in 2025. Let's make this year your most productive one yet. See you in the next video.